Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Okay, so here's what we're going to cover. First up, what exactly is spatial voice? Then we'll walk through how to actually get it turned on. After that, we'll jump into how to use it in-game, and we'll wrap up with, honestly, the most important part, how to play smart and stay safe. Let's do it. All right, first things first. Before we start clicking buttons in the settings, let's talk about what we're actually turning on here. See, Roblox doesn't just have your standard run-of-the-mill voice chat. They use this really cool system called Spatial Voice. So what makes this so special? Well, it's designed to work just like your ears do in the real world. Think about it. If someone's right next to you, you hear them perfectly, right? But as they walk away, their voice gets fainter and fainter. That's exactly how Spatial Voice works in Roblox. It's a simple concept, but wow, does it make the whole experience feel way more real and immersive. Okay, before we get too excited, there's a big, important rule we have to talk about. It's a deal breaker, really, and that's your age. You absolutely have to be at least 13 years old to use voice chat. No ifs, ands, or buts. If your account is set to anything under 13, this feature just won't be available to you, period. So let's run through a quick checklist to make sure you're good to go. First, obviously, you've got to be 13 or older, and your account has to reflect that. Next, you'll need a way to prove it, either with a verified phone number or a government ID. And of course, the practical stuff. You'll need a microphone that actually works and a decent internet connection so you don't sound like a robot. Okay, got all that? Awesome. Now for the fun part. Actually turning this thing on. You've basically got two ways to get verified, so let's break down both options. So you've got a choice to make here, phone verification or ID verification. Think of it like this. The phone route is usually the super quick, easy-peasy way to get it done. The ID method takes a couple extra steps, but it's a more official, secure way to prove your age. It's really up to you which one you prefer. All right, let's talk about the phone option first, because for most of you, this is going to be the fastest way. You do need to have the Roblox mobile app for this part. Just log in, add your phone number when it asks, and they'll shoot you a little verification code. Pop that code in, then just head over to your settings, find the privacy tab, and boom, you'll see the toggle for voice chat. Just flip that switch on. But hey, maybe the phone thing isn't an option for you. No worries at all. You can use a government ID instead. For this, you'll go to your settings, then account info, and click that Verify My Age button. It's going to pop up a QR code on your screen. Just grab your smartphone and scan it. Your phone will then walk you through taking a quick picture of the front and back of your ID, and then a fast selfie to make sure it's really you. It sounds like a lot, but honestly, the whole thing is usually over and done in just a few minutes. And just like that, you're verified. See? The hard part's over. Now that you're all set up, let's actually jump into a game and see how this works. Success! You did it! Voice chat is officially on. It's that simple. Okay, so how do you actually use it? It is super, super simple. First, join a game that actually has voice chat. You'll know because you'll see a little microphone icon right above your character's head. To talk, just click it. It'll light up, usually green, to let you know your mic is hot. When you're done talking, just click it again to mute yourself. Easy. So you're probably wondering, where can I even try this out? Well, tons of popular games already have it. You've got massive role-playing games like Brookhaven, social games like Adopt Me, or even hangouts that are literally called Mic Up. Seriously, there are so many places you can just jump in and start talking right away. All right, you're all geared up and ready to go. But listen, we need to talk about something really, really important now, and that's using this tool safely. Voice chat is awesome, it's a game changer, but you've got to be smart about it. So that begs the question, right? How do you keep things fun and positive, and most importantly, how do you stay safe out there? Okay, for all you players out there, listen up. Rule number 1, the golden rule, never give out your personal information. I'm talking real name, where you live, what school you go to, none of it. And remember, you are in control. If someone's being a jerk, you have tools. Mute them, report them, block them, don't hesitate. And seriously, if anyone ever makes you feel weird or uncomfortable, please, please tell a parent or an adult you trust. And hey, for any parents watching, Roblox gives you a ton of control. You can go into the settings and limit voice chat for it only works with friends, or you can just turn it off completely. You can block people, you can filter the kinds of games your kids can play. You have a lot of tools at your disposal to help make sure their experience is a safe one. Of course, sometimes things just don't work right. So if you run into any snags, don't panic. Here are a few quick troubleshooting tips. If you don't even see the voice chat option, go back and double check that you're fully verified. If your mic just isn't picking up, dive into your computer or phone settings and make sure Roblox actually has permission to use it. And if you see the mic icon but it's grayed out, that probably means either that specific game doesn't support voice chat or maybe the server is just full. Simple stuff, usually. Look, at the end of the day, voice chat is a powerful tool. It can make Roblox feel so much more alive, more social, and just more fun. The key is just to be smart about it. Be respectful, stay safe, and go have a blast exploring all these incredible games. Thanks for hanging out with me on the How to Tech Hacks channel. Don't forget to subscribe and stay curious. The future of technology is just getting started.